Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Gumroad. So in order to do this, first of all, sign into your Printify account and design your custom products like shirts, hoodies, mugs, anything you want. Set pricing, preview the mockups, and keep the product set as manual order. Don't publish it to another platform. Now go to your Gumroad account, navigate to your dashboard, and click Add New Product. So choose Products and click on New Product, then choose Physical Product. Enter the price. After setting the price, preview the mockup and keep the product set as manual order. Now, upload the mockups you downloaded from Printify, write the same title and description, and set your retail price. After you do this, in your Gumroad product settings, include estimated delivery times and a note that items are printed on demand. This keeps customers informed about processing times. Now, when someone buys through Gumroad, you will get their shipping info, copy that info into Printify, and create a manual order for the same product. Printify prints, ships, and tracks the order. You just handle the payment and entry. To make it seamless, you can connect Gumroad and Printify using Zapier or Make. So go to the search bar and search for Connect Printify to Gumroad, scroll down and choose Integrately, for example. And here you can see Gumroad and Printify has a one-click integration. Click on Integrate for free and it will take you to another page. Simply click on Sign up with Google and sign up using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply choose when X happens, do Y, then do Z. So simply enter what you want with this integration and click on Generate, and that will do a one-click integration. So these tools automatically send new Gumroad orders to Printify for fulfillment, saving you time. So that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to Gumroad, and this setup gives you full control over branding with Gumroad's simple storefront while Printify takes care of production and shipping. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.